Hey guys, today I'll show you the best virtual credit card for Facebook ads. Flex card can be a great fit for Facebook ads for several reasons. Here's why. The starting price of $2 for a card appeals to individuals and businesses looking for low-cost, flexible solutions. With Facebook's robust targeting tools, you can aim ads at budget-conscious users, small business owners, or startups who need a cost-effective way to manage online transactions. Facebook's social nature makes it ideal for promoting referral-based products. Flex cards, 30% profit sharing, and 10 free cards for every new referred user will encourage current users to share the ad with their networks, expanding your reach organically. The option to manage cards within a team can be appealing for businesses, groups, or even freelancers working on collaborative projects. This could be targeted at business owners, remote teams, and other professional Facebook users. Facebook ads thrive when users can immediately see what's in for them. The Flex cards features such as fast insurance, reliable bins, and auto top-up provide instant solutions to real-world problems, which helps increase click-through rates and engagement. So Facebook users love simple, practical solutions by highlighting how easy it is to get and use a Flex card. You appeal to users seeking for no-fuss virtual card services. Since many Facebook users access the platform via mobile devices, Flex cards focus on instant card issuance and easy management from the mobile app aligns perfectly with Facebook's mobile-first audience. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.